Ever have one weird listening session on Spotify, like playing a kid's song or some sleep sounds, and then your Discover Weekly thinks that's your whole personality? Spotify finally has a solution. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop one-off songs from messing up your music recommendations on Spotify. Now let's get started. To exclude a song from your taste profile on Spotify, tap the three dots next to a track you want to exclude. Then select Exclude Track from your taste profile. Once you've done this, listening to that song won't affect your taste profile, and Spotify can better tailor your experience on their platform to your preferences. You'll find the same option when tapping the three dots on a playlist, making it easy to exclude a whole group of tracks at the same time. That's all it takes to exclude songs from your taste profile on Spotify. Want to download songs to listen offline on Spotify? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.